In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Life 360 location. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your privacy effectively. First, open the Life 360 application on your device. You will see the home screen with a map displaying your current location along with the locations of your circle members. This is where the magic happens. By accessing this app, you can control your location settings. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the interface as it offers various features and options. You will feel empowered knowing you can manage how much information you share with others. Next, select your circle. The circle is a group of people with whom you share your location. Once you tap on the circle, you will see a list of all members included in that group. This is where you can adjust settings specifically for that circle. Keep in mind that settings can vary from circle to circle, so it's crucial to select the right one. This step is important because it ensures that you are making changes only where you intend to. From there, tap on Settings. This option is usually represented by a gear icon, making it easy to locate. Once you tap on it, you will enter a new menu with various options related to your circle. Here, you can customize your experience based on your preferences. Taking a moment to explore these settings can give you insights into what features you use the most. You will feel more in control of your privacy and how you interact within Life 360. Now, tap on Location Sharing. This option allows you to manage how your location is shared with circle members. When you access this setting, you will see whether location sharing is currently enabled or disabled. Understanding this section is vital because it directly impacts your visibility within the app. You want to be confident in your choices, knowing you can turn the feature on or off as needed. Next up, turn location sharing off. You will see a toggle switch that you can slide to the off position. This action will stop your location from being shared with circle members. Once you do this, a message will confirm that your sharing has been paused. This ensures that your changes are saved and that you have successfully paused your location sharing. As a result, your circle will see location sharing paused. This message notifies others that you are not currently sharing your location. It is important to understand that turning it off in one circle does not affect your other circles. This flexibility allows you to manage your privacy on a more granular level. You can choose to share your location with one group while keeping it private from another. By following these steps, you have successfully turned off your location sharing in Life 360. Remember, managing your privacy is crucial. Life 360 offers you the tools to do just that. You can revisit these settings anytime to adjust according to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.